men would move there, they would be run by the military and the military type conditions. The men would work 8 hours every day. The only people who got welfare were married men. So, okay, well, even so, I don't want to go. I'm going to stay here. I'll be homeless. There were 247 camps just in BC. Just architecturally, it's kind of between two eras. This is built in 1927, tea roof of the Hotel Vancouver. And you see right at the top there, there's like a kind of pitched glass window. He was a shipping magnate, a particular kind of cargo. During US Prohibition, he was a rum runner, just from ancient Greece and ancient Rome. The architect was a man named Francis Rattenberg. He was involved in a scam. This is why I don't like to say this too loud. Inside the Hotel Vancouver for an Art Deco journey. We heard about the Vancouver Opera House, the most scandalous dance ever performed in this city. We started to see the straight lines and the symmetry of Art Deco. It's a transitional building. Built in 1927. People who stayed there, Elvis Presley, John Wayne, Queen.